I don't care if it's in a family diary. I don't care
Hmm.
if it's from a West African griot. I don't care if it's in the Justice Department. I don't care if it's in the military. I'm just talking about pure, unadulterated communication and being honest in our dialogue. Now, if we're saying, well, if this dialogue doesn't shift a culture in the black community, that's a contextualized argument. If we're saying, well, this honesty is not going to change the NBA, that's a specific discussion. If we're saying it's, I'm speaking from the principle of, because you have to understand from my belief, I think the most revolutionary thing in my life that I've ever been a part of is communication. Is the most technological, the most amazing technology that I have ever seen on a planet Earth is language. So for me, I'm just speaking in terms of just dialogue and trying to figure, because if we're talking about shifting a culture of hip hop, if we're talking about hip hop, if we're talking about the black community, if we're talking about banking systems, guess what? You're gonna have to motherfucking talk about it. You're
Yeah.
gonna have to have a language that is understood, that comes from something that we all have a fundamental understanding of in order to solve problems.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes,
let me
sir.
add this. Jay, I would say this with me and you, and I can only say about maybe 10 people on planet Earth that I can actually say, I believe I communicate with you. And so the fact that I use words with a lot of people, I
Hmm.
talk to a lot of folks. But when it comes to, and not to mention the reason why I believe you and I communicate well, in my opinion, because we don't exist, there's no falsehood there.